Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. So let's open Google app, go to Settings and Google Assistant. Tap on Voice Match firstly and turn this function on. Now go back and tap on lock screen. Again, turn function on. Now lock your screen and say, "Hey Google, what time is it?"
It's 9:44 a.m.
"Hey Google, what's temperature outside?"
In Krakow, it's currently 65 degrees. By the way, if you'd ever like to hear a summary of your day, just say, "Good morning."
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.